Have you ever looked at an AI-generated essay and thought, yep, this sounds like a robot wrote it? Or maybe you have wasted hours trying to tweak sentences, crossing your fingers that it'll sneak past Turnitin or GPTZero, only to get flagged anyway? Yeah, it's frustrating. But in today's AI-driven world, this is becoming a pretty common headache. My name is Daniel, and today I've got something seriously useful to share with you. It's called Tenorshare AI Bypass, and it's a tool that can take stiff, robotic AI text and turn it into natural, human-sounding writing with just one click. I'll walk you through how to get started, how to use its features, and actually pass those tough AI detection tests. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. And now, let's dive in. Why choose Tenorshare AI Bypass? So guys, you know as well as I do that platforms like Turnitin, GPTZero, and CopyLeaks are hunting for anything that smells like it came from an AI. That's a big hurdle if you're using tools like ChatGPT to write your content. So, what's the move? Meet Tenorshare AI Bypass. It's a smart tool designed to turn robotic-sounding AI text into natural, human-like writing that slips past even the toughest detectors. This isn't just a basic paraphraser. It refines your content so well you'd swear a real person wrote it. And if you want to double-check before submitting, it even includes its own AI detector to preview how your text scores. What really makes it shine is how easy it is to use. The interface is clean, fast, and perfect for those last-minute deadlines when you need results, fast and hassle-free. And now, my friends, let me show you how brilliant it is. Step-by-step guide. Alright guys, let's head over to the Tenorshare website and log in. To do that, click the login button in the top right corner and enter your email and password, or simply sign in using your Google account. If you have never logged in before, you can also create a new account here. Before testing the tool's features, let's generate a short 300-word essay using ChatGPT. I'm asking it to write about character development in Dickens's A Christmas Carol for a 10th grade level. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT gives me the full text. In my opinion, the essay feels rather generic and robotic. The phrases like transforms from into and is deeply affected show the AI nature. To be honest, guys, chatbots love using the passive voice. Let's copy this essay and see what the AI detector says about it. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. We're back to Tenorshare. Let's go to AI Bypass and choose Free AI Detector. It's super convenient, since both the Humanizer and detector are integrated into the same platform. I'll paste the text and hit check for AI. You can either respond to the platform's survey or skip it for now. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, Tenorshare syncs with 10 different detectors, including Turnitin, which is widely used in the academic community. According to the results, only 45% of the input content is considered likely human-written. Now let's switch over to AI Bypass and see how it handles improving this essay. We'll choose Ultra Enhanced mode, which is designed to bypass even the toughest detectors. I'm going with the academic tone, though there are plenty of other options available. Click Humanize and wait a few seconds. We get a new version of the essay. The structure remains, but the vocabulary is noticeably different. It now includes more interesting phrases like tight-fisted, an old money-loving man, and uses a simpler, more natural vocabulary. You can also see that the essay has grown slightly, 376 words. That means Tenorshare added some extra phrases to make it sound more human. Let's test the new version. Head back to the AI detector and paste in the updated essay. As you can see, this is the revised 376-word version. Click check for AI, and a few seconds later we get the result. See, the input content is likely human-written. All 10 detectors confirm the content appears to be written by a person. Now let's run this essay through an external detector, for example GPTZero. I'll copy the text, switch over to the AI detection tab and paste it in. Next, we'll select the advanced scan option, so GPTZero can analyze the essay more thoroughly. Click Scan. And here we see the result. According to the detector, this content is highly likely to be human-written. And finally, let me leave you with one last tip. If you run the essays through AI bypass one more time, the human likeness score will be even higher. Final thoughts. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Tenorshare AI bypass focuses on doing one thing really well, making AI-generated content sound human and undetectable. It's fast, simple, and doesn't get in your way. Since I started using it, I've stopped worrying about getting flagged. The built-in detector gives me peace of mind, and honestly, the flow of the writing just feels right. If you've been searching for a hassle-free way to clean up your AI content and make it sound authentic, Tenorshare AI bypass is absolutely worth a try. Have you used it yet? I'd love to know what you think. Did it help your content pass the test? Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.